Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's cleaning session. So I will show you how cleaning works in the United States. And the problem is our cleaning system, that is the washing machines in our building, is not working. So I have to go outside, called laundromat maybe. I will show you how the process works and washing machine, drying, everything, and how much time does it take. So let's go. Let's get started. So I have packed both all my used clothes in this. So there are Sundays are usually for laundry purpose and cleaning purpose. So yeah, let's go. Anirudh is here. This is how the lifts are here. Anirudh is assisting me for my laundry. The weather is good. It's his car. He is Anirudh. This is Anirudh. Anirudh, introduce yourself.
Peace out. Myself, Anirudh Reddy Nyalapanam. To be frank, what to do, I don't know.
If your building laundry is not working, you should go outside. You should definitely have a car. He has a car. He bought a second-hand car. What's the price?
2000? Around 2000.
$2,000. Costly.
With the repairs, it's gonna be 4000.
With repairs. It's a second-hand car, so it's $2,000. But normally, if you want a brand new car, what's the price?
Like the basic car a student needs might be around 20,000, something like that.
25,000. It's costly. So
If you want a brand new
students
car.
basically buy second-hand cars. It's cheaper and it's efficient for students. So Anirudh recently came to the US. He was studying in University of Houston, and then he recently moved to where did you move? University of Bridgeport. And he got transferred to University of Bridgeport, and he recently got a GA opportunity and his fees are waived off. So he will explain the benefits of the GA position.
So basically, GA offers in our university, it offers the full fee waive off, not only full fee waive off, but a lot of good amenities where we can access through the servers and all for free.
Mhm.
So every other subscription we want is provided for free, and we work in a employer environment which we can use in the future.
So you basically work here in the US culture.
Exactly. So with the accent, with the target goals, we know what we need to get to a stage where we go into the job market in future.
And what is the total fees of University of Bridgeport?
With insurance, it's gonna be around 11,000 to 11,500 a semester.
So in total it's covering 40,000
to 46,000 in whole. So getting an assistantship is quite useful, I would say. So yeah, I got lucky in this case.
So what are the chances of getting a GA opportunity in colleges in the US?
Right now, it's quite low because student visas are getting scrutinized right now. So I would say without the budget, the college guys couldn't afford the GA. So I would say it is a bit tough right now, but whoever has the skill or the grit determination, like they want to work in the college, if they want to study and go along, then they might get it.
So how did you reach out to the GA position?
That's a long story. I just completed my first semester, and you should complete one semester.
You should complete at least one semester.
For the eligibility of the assistantship at anywhere, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
So Like
yeah.
after completing one semester, there would be advertisements in the handshake portals and all.
So you have a handshake portal for your
Yep.
college?
So
Not
over there we could find the openings and all. So if we find the openings, what do people generally do? They just apply and sit down at the home. But we should not do that. We should apply, take a physical copy of a resume,
Mhm.
and go to the supervisor and speak for a bit and just highlight yourself a bit so that they can get into a wow nature about yourself.
Mhm.
So then they would offer an interview, or they would make sure that you take the conversation ahead so that you can
So
prove yourself.
they grill you in the interview?
Not. It basically depends. If you know something about the subject, then it's not grilling. But if you don't know and just blabber about everything, they'll definitely make a hard time for you.
So at Northeastern University, you should definitely do at least 2 semesters, and then you are eligible for doing a teaching assistantship position. So yeah,
Oh.
half of the fees are waived off.
With some stipend and all.
Yeah, you have a stipend as well.
No, we don't get stipend.
So basically, at Northeastern, we used to get stipend, but the fees were not waived off, as there were a lot
Yeah,
of GA
it depends
positions.
on the university and the work they provide us.
Yeah.
So yeah, not like getting a GA is one step and managing it is another step. So we have to be good enough to make some good adjustments to our schedule in our university life.
Yeah, time management is a skill in the United States. You definitely need it.
So we got to the laundry right now.
Yeah. We'll head to the laundry. So we are at the laundry room. The laundry area is called laundry room. It's too windy. The door. This is the coin changer for customer use only. There's free Wi-Fi present. And that's the single load, double load, triple load, heaviest load here. The heavy wash is something around $6.25 per wash. It's costly, but you need to do it. No option. This is the triple load, and this is $6.25. They are the coin laundry, wash and fold service, and the dry cleaning service. So basically, we had a $20 bill, and the cost for one washing machine is $6.25. So he went to the counter to get coins so that we can insert into the washing machine. That's it. And yellow. It's weekend and we can't enjoy outside. That's how it is. So it's 6.25, so you need to insert 25 coins of 25 cents. And it's reducing whenever you put the coin. This video is especially for students who will be coming to the United States. They need to use the laundry service like this. And this is especially for my mom. She doesn't know how laundry works here. So yeah. So these are the parts. So I have put for the washing. Costed me $12.5. So if you're coming to the USA for studying, then this video is for you. You definitely not enjoy the weekend, because half the time during the weekends you will be cleaning, doing your household chores, and doing the washing. So half majority of the day that of the weekend will be lost. So please plan accordingly. You need
15 to
15 number is the upper one.
6 minutes.
1 coin is equal to 6 minutes. We have put the clothes in the dryer and now we are heading to Chipotle to eat some food. Chipotle పేరేది? So Chipotle ball one cost for $13. Crash chick. Heading back to Calcutta. We are back to the laundry room.
తీసి
Thank you. Have a good night. So learn one thing whenever you are leaving any shop. Please say thank you to the cashier. It's a good habit. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I have returned back to my home and it costed me around $20 for the whole process of washing and drying, and it will take around 2 to 2.5 hours to get the whole thing done. So yeah, if you are coming to the United States, then make sure that you have always $20 whenever you are going for cleaning and everything. It will be cheaper in some states, but here it's costly. So see you in the next video.